The parking aid sensor is a proximity style sensor that's a relatively new addition onto our vehicles. We first started seeing these sensors coming into the mainstream in the early to mid 2000s. Now this parking aid sensor is generally going to use some sort of radar or sonar technology to detect objects and then report that information to the Park Assist module. Usually you'll end up with an alert on your dash or a sound to notify you that an object is in close proximity. Now these sensors have also been called a backup or reverse aid sensor. They're usually found in the back bumper on your vehicle. On some higher end cars, they're also used in the front bumper. Now this allows for collision awareness in both the front and the rear of the vehicle. Vehicles that have parking aid sensors will generally have at least 2, commonly they'll have 4, sometimes 8, or even more park aid sensors per vehicle. Now replacement on these little sensors can prove to be difficult. Generally the entire bumper cover or bumper fascia may need to be removed to install these sensors. Some may even need to be painted to match the bumper. There may also be an adjustment or calibration procedure that goes along with this installation process. Always refer to your vehicle's service information for this proper installation procedure. Now, in the event of a single parking aid sensor failure, the entire system is going to be disabled. You'll usually get a message on the dash signaling that the system is no longer functioning. This system is also able to store trouble codes in the parking aid control module. Many times they'll fall into a C1600 and C1700 code range. Note that not all scan tools are going to be able to pull these C-style codes. So why should you get yourself an NTK parking aid sensor? Well, as with every single NTK sensor, you're getting yourself a premium quality product with outstanding support and industry-leading innovation that's been bred directly from our company's OE heritage. These attributes and more truly make NTK the sensor specialist.